Wow, what a week it's been. So if you've been watching some of my content on this previously, or if you've been following me on X, which of course you should be, if you're not, I don't know what you're thinking, you will be knees deep in Topaz Dex, and for good reason, because this thing is an absolute monster. It's like number 3 Dex on Binance already after 1 week, and it's an absolute freaking money printer. So I'm going to run you through today what's going on. There is currently a promotion on that you have to know about, like right now. So if you want to build a position, voting, this video might be a little bit chaotic because Mini Millions is in the house right now and he's currently painting. So I need to keep an eye on him, make sure he's not destroying the apartment. Anyway, without further ado, we are going to be getting straight into it. If you're watching this, enjoying it, but haven't yet subscribed, please superplex that subscribe button, leave me some love in the comments, and rest assured, I will love you long time if you do. So here are a few of my positions on this account. I'm going to be moving some of this around, by the way. I've had some XRP just sitting around on Binance for a while now, which I just put to work, but this APR has come down considerably. So I'm thinking about moving that around somewhere. I've got some liquid assets in my wallet right now that I need to put to work. I'm rebuilding my Bitcoin WBNB position at the moment, and I'm going to be switching some of these over to the concentrated. So at the moment, I'm using the basic volatile because I've had such an insane couple of weeks. I've not been able to do any videos. It's been absolutely insane. So I've just had it on like the set and forget option, which is like the basic volatile, which is still printing really nicely. You can see WBNB Topaz is still at 335% APR, and these fees are just flowing in every day. So this is like I'm just using this as a holding account really with the USDT, USDC, but still 30% on stable coins. It really ain't that bad, is it? Let's be honest. So I have some plans on what I'm going to do with this, which I'll probably go into in my next video. But we also yesterday had the end of Epoch. I'm just checking on Mini Millions what he's doing. Okay. So there's the end of Epoch was yesterday. So hopefully you guys got your votes in. Now at the moment, talking of voting, obviously by voting with the locked Topaz token, the veTOPAZ, we have the fees and the bribes that we can earn on a weekly basis from the DEX. It's like being a kind of part owner of this DEX, which is, I think, is freaking awesome. And considering this is so early and it's already number 3 DEX, this is exactly why I got in at day 1, like day 0. I was in here and I'm just continuing to build a position. But at the moment, right now, there's a massive opportunity. So if we come over here, it's still available at a 75% bonus to lock your Topaz. So if you lock Topaz right now, you get whatever you put in plus 75%. So if you want to build an existing position, or if you want to add, if you haven't even locked any yet and you want to get involved, this could be a really, really good time to do it. So you can see here, I've got a couple of locks going at the moment. So this one's got 2.286 million. I want to get that up to 2.5 million. And this is one that I did yesterday with the bonus. So that's another 4,000, which I'll be doing again later. But at the moment, if you go to lock now, you will see that how many are there left in this tier of bonus. There are 1.7 million left at the 75% bonus. Once they're sold out, it goes to a 50% bonus, which is still incredible, but 75% is obviously, peak. So I'm going to do a few more of these while the 75% bonus is on. Obviously, this only lasts as long as this 50 million distributed allows for. So 3.3 million so far have been locked, so it's going down daily, and as you can see, I've got a small Topaz liquid balance, but once I do some claims later on, I'm going to lock that in and build up my existing positions. So that's what's going on right now. You can check that out on Telegram or on my X at True Millions if you want to stay up to date on everything that's going on with Topaz, because I'm putting out a lot of Topaz content right now because I'm so bullish on it. You can earn weekly on the voting, and there's chaos going on here. Weekly on the voting to earn the fees and the bribes, and next week is going to be a big one. So this is where, because it's in early days, we are going to start seeing the real power of veTOPAZ, which is why I'm stacking up right now. I stacked up on the pre-sale and I'm going to stack up on this bonus as well. We're going to start to see the bigger fees, you know, obviously because now we're going to have a couple of weeks worth of fees going through the DEX, we're going to start seeing the real power of it. And the liquidity pools as well is another fantastic way to earn with Topaz. So anyway, if we go over to liquidity again, I'll just show you. There's absolute chaos going on here, but I refuse to edit this. Hey mate. Okay. Daddy's just recording a video. How's your painting going? Have you painted the? You haven't painted the table, have you? No. You've kept it on the paper. Yeah. Okay. Good job, mate. Good job. Okay, just give me 5 minutes and I'll be with you. Yeah. I haven't done a video in like 3 weeks. I need to get this done. Some heavy things. You want to do some weightlifting? Okay, we'll get the little dumbbells out in a minute. Yeah? All right, give me 2 minutes. Yeah, I'll help you out with it in a minute. So, we've got the, as I said before, if you come to liquidity, you can kind of look at this, you can look at the TVL or the APR. Be careful with the APRs because obviously they don't always fully represent. If something's got a really low TVL, it's going to look insane. You know, I personally like to look at, you know, the TVL. You can see the USDC pool has got the highest at over $250,000 locked at the moment. And yes, babe. I will. Just give me 2 minutes. Okay, look, I'm going to round the video up right now. So you can just have a look down here and decide. It is mummy's, yeah, that is mummy's. You can have a look down here and decide what pools you want to get into. So you've got the BNB Topaz, 600%. There's some really, really great options here if you want to put your assets to work, like I am. And as I said before, you'll probably see a different layout next week because I'm going to move the XRP around a little bit because it's not earning that much. I say not much, it's still 60%, but I feel like I could get a lot better in these current liquidity pools. So anyway, guys, I wanted to give you that quick update. Follow me on X, follow me on here, on YouTube. Hit the like and subscribe button, and absolute chaos. And I will see you all in the next video.